Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Brandon, and Jordy here. It's Saturday, and I finished my third year comprehensive final, and I figured I'd treat myself, and I've been planning it for about 2 weeks so far, and I just picked up another RX-7, an RX-7 FB. Yeah, Jordy's just shaking his head.
Yeah.
So this one, it's in really mint shape. It was at a wrecker here at Amigos here in Clavette for like a span of 2 years, surprisingly. And I didn't even see it here for the 2 years, but anyways, we're gonna go see the car right now. And here it is, the RX-7 FB. Yeah, this one I only paid like $300 for. When he lifted it up with the forklift, there was like no rust on the frame. But if you check over here, I have to replace this rocker here, and it did get into an accident here, and I made sure, and it didn't damage the frame at all. Like, it's a clean engine bay here, so pretty straight. I have another RX-7 FB that I could take the whole front end and then just swap it, and Jordy over there just getting it all ready so we could bring it back to my place. And yeah, I'm planning to throw a V8 in this one just because the chassis is just a really good donor. Well, it's just a really good format to throw a V8 in, and we're gonna try to lift it out with like 4 to 5 people when we get back, which is not really exciting. But yeah, we're gonna go bring it back to my place and we'll go from there. Got the boys helping me today to help me carry out this RX-7 off of the trailer. We got like this hoist here to lift the car up. He's gonna drive off, or like pull the trailer back, and then we're gonna hold the rear end of the RX-7 and see if it'll crush us or not crush us.
Hit this regardless. There's nothing.
Yeah, no, you're right. Let's just go off the tow point. It'll be a bit lopsided, but at least it'll take some of the weight. We can just shift it forward and get it underneath the hoist. Okay, so you guys, if you guys can try pushing it onto the grating. I know it seems.
Wait, Nathan, should you stand here? Could you weigh more?
I do have that, don't I? I also have a lot more foot.
Yeah, I've got enough weight to handle this.
Is it on?
It's on. It's balanced.
The rear end is going to have
It's alright. Is it off?
We're getting very close. Yeah, there we go. Almost there. Okay.
Lift it up more. Get it buttoned right up with the
There we
trailer.
go.
Oh, push yours back forward. There you go.
Yeah.
That was incredibly smooth.
Do you have another axle stand for the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
I told you. Okay, that should be nice. Jordan, you want to help me lift this
2 inches.
Holy fuck, it's gonna fall.
Push yours over, push your beam over there, Brandon. Yeah. Right.
Of course, yeah. Jordan, can you help?
Yep.
Okay, this side's good.
Well, that's good. You've, oh, remember the upload photos?
Just curious how much time you have.
Okay, it's good.
Okay, slow down. We down?
Yeah.
Ta-da! It's all on jacks now.
Okay. Sketchy!
Yeah, sketchy.
Yep, up there.
Yeah, this is sick.
You look like a real filmmaker there, Brandon.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Is it touching on all sides?
No.
Okay. We could probably put some blocks of wood. I think it's just this side that needs to come up, and
Yeah.
then it would sit. Do you want it perfectly level, or can you just get this one? Like this one up one. Got these two pieces we could probably make work.
Okay, so the Arc 7 is finally loaded off. I had to go get my Camry, and everyone left. And I'd like to thank Nathan and his brother, Jordan and Jordy, for helping out. And I'm super excited to get this going. Like, I did a walk around already, but geez, like, the glass is mint. Like, the rocker just need to be fixed a bit. The door just has a couple of dents. This has a dent. I know I have to replace the door because I don't know if this is salvageable. And then this rocker needs to be fixed. This is going to be ripped off. And the engine bay, like I said before, is surprisingly in good shape. Like, holy, it only has like surface rust starting. I forgot where it is, but yeah, like, it's super clean. And this fender needs to be replaced. I can tell there's no rust because on this pinch weld, well, the camera can't see, but there's nothing there. And if you look inside here, I looked under the floors, like, there's only surface rust and that's it. And like I said before, I'm putting a V8 in this and I'm really excited. So Ford 8.8 rear end from a Fox body. And I'm planning to do a 4.6 2-valve modular swap. And somebody's already done it in the US. I won't be touching this till next year because I have another project to touch. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And like always, stay tuned. Peace.